Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change TikTok region. First of all, to change your location or region on TikTok, first of all, after you open up your TikTok like this now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open up your profile, as you can see now, tap on this menu at the top right side. Now go to this settings and privacy. After you come to this settings and privacy now, as you can see now at the top, tap on this first option which says account. After you open this account, as you can see now, under this account now, all you have to do now, go and tap on this section which says this one, which says account information, this first one. So as you can see, here is it. After you open the account information, as you can see now, under this account information there is different option. As you can see now, here it says user information. So here is your phone number, and here is your Gmail. As you can see, the Gmail that you use and the phone number that you use. And here, as you can see now, it will give you the country. Here is my country that I use on my Gmail, on my account, on my TikTok account. So as you can see now, at the bottom you can see where it says contact information. So all you have to do now, tap on this first option which says country. As you can see now, under this region, so it will bring you to this site. Here is it now. Allow it now to finish loading. As you can see now, here it says select country or region. So in this section now, all you have to do now, go and select the country that you want to just change, or the region that you want to change your account to. So let's say I want to change my account to like Singapore. This one, this country. As you can see, here is it, Singapore. So I'll just tap on this Singapore. After you tap on this Singapore now, as you can see now, it will take me now to this option. As you can see now, here it says, as you can see, here is it, as you can see now, Singapore. So after you tap on this Singapore now, allow it now to finish loading, as you can see now. So now you can go ahead now and allow it now to finish just uploading your country. That's it now. You can wait for like some minutes. If you wait some minute now, as you can see now, if you wait for some minute, it will just automatically give you access to change your country to the country that you want. But sometimes it will not allow you until you just wait like for 24 hours before it will update your country. That's it guys. And sometimes nowadays, as you can see, TikTok is just updating anything rapidly, so it may works for you and it may not works for you. That's the disclaimer. But here is the section for you to choose a country on your TikTok. Go and change the region you want to make your TikTok account to be. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.